What's up guys, Adrian here. Welcome to Motorista Adventures. Today is another video for you guys, and let me present to you the all-new Mazda 3 Sportback Elite model in this stunning soul red crystal color. Since Mazda separated with Ford, Mazda became a lot more desirable and premium. They've always engineered the best handling cars on the market. The 2020 Mazda 3 is no exception. Just look at the front. It's sleek looking with a revised Kodo design, and tignan nyo yung grille guys na sobrang laki. It has a gloss black material on the headlights which is tucked neatly inside the bonnet. It is a very nice evolution from the previous Mazda 3. So the Elite model comes with LED headlights with DRLs. And at the side, we get smooth and simple design lines. It looks very aerodynamic. For the tire sizes, we get 205 by 60 R16 tires for this Elite model Mazda 3. At the back, the Mazda 3 takes the cake when it comes to really pushing the boundaries of design, like this quad LED taillights, which really looks like a Ferrari. I really like it. We get a high mount stop lamp as well with a reverse camera for this model. So let's proceed to the interior of the Mazda 3. This is the key, keyless entry and push start for this one. And then really nice, the buttons are on the side. The usual is in the front, it's on the side. So let's go inside and check out the interior. So what you have on the doors are very nice leather accents. You have the stitched leather right here, powerful folding mirrors, adjustments here. You also have your auto up and down controls for the windows, and all of them are auto up and down, so very nice. Seats for the Mazda 3 are all manual, so you can adjust more thigh support right here and height adjustment, as well as recline function on the seat. So right here we can see that we have your park sensors and your traction and stability control button, lever for the hood. And let's move on inside. Really nice leather steering wheel. You have this chrome accents on the steering wheel, that really nice Mazda logo. So you have your volume controls here and your cruise control on the other side. You have your paddle shifters here. You have plus and minus and off. You have your automatic headlights, as well as automatic rain sensing wipers. Infotainment system. Right down at the bottom, you have your air conditioning controls. You have your dual zone toggles, your cooling, as well as your cooling on the other side for the passenger seats. Below, you have your cup holders and some neat space, so you can put some stuff right here. Okay, so you have your transmission. I think this is still a 6-speed automatic transmission, and you can toggle this for plus and minus and sport mode, so you can change the behavior of the transmission. Down below, you have your volume for the infotainment system. You can adjust the volume. You have your favorites, this star right here. So this is Mazda Connect controller, so you don't have to fiddle with the touchscreen right there when you're driving. Music, your home button, your back button, and your navigation button. Right on the side, you have your electronic parking brake, so you can turn it on or off. You have your auto hold function for your brakes, so you don't have to use your foot so that the car won't roll when you're on a stoplight. So that's auto hold for your brakes. And you have a very big center console, leather padded as well. You have a really big space. It's really deep, as well as it's actually padded. You have your USB inputs, and accessory outlets also. On the passenger side, you have your air conditioning vents and your glove box. Very nice size glove box. Seat material is excellent. Again, the shape is very sporty. I really like it. And you have this nice sunroof as well. So you can close the sunroof, open it up to get some light into the cabin. Right here, you have your sunglass holder, the sunroof, your dome lights, and your sensors for your rain sensing wipers. You have your auto dimming rear view mirrors as well. Your gauges here, you have your LCD panel right here. You have your analog gauge, and then analog gauges for the fuel and your engine temperature. First stack, you have your Mazda Connect, so we can toggle the navigation, so you can have your fuel efficiency monitor. And I'm actually controlling this via the remote on the center console, so it's really intuitive. So you have your entertainment system, you have your FM as well as Bluetooth, and this car also offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. You have your navigation, and you have your vehicle settings and all that good stuff. Alright, I'm at the back of the Mazda 3. As you can see, guys, driving position is set. There's a lot of knee room here. You have good thigh support. You have your bottle holders on the doors, padded armrest for the doors, and this really nice chrome bit here. Very nice. The only problem that I see is that it has a center tunnel right here. It does protrude quite a bit for the middle row. You have your armrest with leather padding and your cup holders right here. So overall, back seats for the Mazda 3 is very good. So let's move on to the back of this car. Quite a bit of space here. You have your light for the cargo area. You have the spare tire, not the full size one, and yeah, it's quite shallow. Also fold the seats for more space. For safety, the Mazda 3 Elite has 7 airbags, anti-lock brakes with electronic brake force distribution, dynamic stability control, and ISOFIX anchors for the back seats. Under the hood of the Mazda 3 is an all-new 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder, which is named Skyactiv G in Mazda's term, and it puts out 111 horsepower at 6,000 RPM and 146 Nm of torque at 3,500 RPM. And it is only available in a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now, I really want to know the performance of the sedan, since it has some, average horsepower numbers as well as torque. So it would be interesting to see how this car performs on the road. So fuel tank capacity for the Mazda 3 is 51 liters. For color options for the new model, we get polymetal gray, machine gray, white pearl, jet black, and deep crystal blue, and the signature soul red crystal color. Now let's talk about the pricing for the all-new Mazda 3. So first, we have the Elite model, which is the base, and the top of the line premium model. You can also choose between a sedan or a Sportback. Now for the Mazda 3 sedan Elite automatic transmission, it is priced at 1,295,000 Philippine pesos. If you want the Sportback Elite, it will cost you around 1,320,000 Philippine pesos. Now moving up, we get the premium sedan model at 1,495,000 Philippine pesos. If you want the Sportback premium model, it will set you back 1,510,000 Philippine pesos. And lastly, we get a suit-up version of the premium model, which is called the Sportback Speed automatic transmission, and it will be priced at 1,590,000 Philippine pesos. So let me tell you guys what you're missing out if you choose the Elite model as compared to the premium model. So the premium models offer 12-speaker Bose surround sound system, 360 view camera, driver monitoring system, cruising and traffic support system, smart city brake support, Mazda radar cruise control, front and rear cross traffic alert, and lane departure warning with lane keep assist. So that is a lot of safety features found on the premium model as compared to the Elite. So would you choose the Elite or the premium model? Let me know down in the comments, guys. And as always, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, click that bell icon so that you will be notified on any future videos in this channel, guys. So once again, this is Adrian, the Motorista Adventures, and I'll see you guys on the next video.